Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to Discord picking up gaming audios in Windows 10 computer. If you are a gamer and playing games and while playing games you are getting this kind of error or issues, then we have to troubleshoot this issue accordingly. This issue occurs because of many reasons, driver conflicts or driver mismatch. So we have to troubleshoot this issue in a step-by-step manner. We are going to see different troubleshooting steps and methods. So you have to follow all the troubleshooting methods, and then if issue resolves because of one of the troubleshooting method, please do comment in the comment box that this troubleshooting method helps me, and this will also help others to resolve their issues. So let's go ahead on my computer screen and check out how we can troubleshoot this issue in a step-by-step manner. So I am on my computer screen. Discord application is installed on this Windows 10 computer. I'm going to right click on start menu and then go to settings, or else I'm just going to type audio settings or sound settings. Just click on sound settings. We have to find out sound control panel. So you can see sound control panel is given over here. Click on sound control panel and you would find sound control panel over here. So in the recording here I can see only one mic is there, it is microphone, but I will show you other settings as well. So sound control panel, click on sound control panel, you would find different options over here. So here stereo mix is there. So if you have stereo mix over here, just right click on it and then click on disable. So I just disable this stereo mix and then click on OK. Close this box and then close the settings as well. Now go to Discord application, and in the Discord application you have to click over here user settings. In the user settings you have to click on voice and video. Click on voice and video, and then in the output device, it may be default, you can select your headphone as output device, and in the input device you have to select microphone, or if you are getting correct audio with the input device then you have to select default. If you are not getting, then click on the microphone and then click on escape. So the settings are changed. Now you can check if the issue is resolved or not. If the issue is not resolved, then you have to follow another troubleshooting method, and to follow another troubleshooting method you have to again open sound settings. So I will type sound settings. In the sound settings, click over here. In the sound settings we have to open sound control panel and then click on the recording tab. In the recording tab we have to select a microphone and then click on properties. In the properties click on listen, and in the listen, if this is checked, then we have to uncheck this, listen to this device, and then click on advanced. Make sure in the advanced, in the exclusive mode, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device is checked. Click on OK, click on OK again, and then close the sound settings. Close the Discord application and again open the Discord application. Check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then we have to right click on the Windows and then click on device manager. In the device manager you have to click over here sound, video and game controllers, expand this, and then you would find different options over here, and for each device you have to update the driver. Suppose I will show you mine, then device manager. So this is my host computer and you would find different options. I'm going to right click on this Realtek audio and then click on update driver. So I'm going to click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and then it would give you the best drivers for your device are already installed. If there are proper drivers installed on your computer, then you would get this message. If you're not getting this kind of message, then you have to update the drivers. You can click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. I'm just going to close this out.
If this is not working, then you have to right click on this Realtek audio, then uninstall this device. I will show you over here. Suppose I have to uninstall this device, then I'm going to right click on it and then click on uninstall this device, click on uninstall again. So it would uninstall the device. Again refresh, you can check again the drivers are installed. Like this you have to update the drivers. Once this is done, you have to check with the Discord application if issue is resolved or not. If the issue is still not resolved, then we have to follow another troubleshooting method. In the sound control panel, I just click on search and sound settings are there. So in the sound control panel, we have to click on sound control panel. So once you open the sound control panel, in the playback you would find speakers over here, and in the speakers you have to right click on speakers and then click on disable. So once you disable, you can check if the issue resolves or not. If the issue doesn't resolve, then you have to open the settings and then click on apps. In the apps, find out a Discord application, click on Discord and then click on uninstall. You have to reinstall the Discord application and check after reinstalling if the issue resolves or not.
So I hope these troubleshooting steps would help you to resolve your Discord picking up gaming audios issue in Windows 10 computer. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.